you like tough trucks? This one here, we built just over a year ago. It's hard to believe, but it is one of the toughest F250s to come through Big Dog Builds workshop. I'm Dean Bleasner, the co-founder of Big Dog Builds. We are the most awarded American truck company in Australia with over 500 trucks under our belt. It's one like this that slipped through the radar a year ago, and I've now got the chance a year later to show you a full walk around on one of my favorite F trucks. Starting at the front end, obviously the customer has gone for a military green wrap, black roof, a bit of black in the front end to keep that original look. We've gone and installed the factory aftermarket front bar that houses the laser lamp LED spotlights. You've got the option of 3 9-inch lights there, 2 of the 7-inch lights. They got the cool orange DRL backlight as well. And then we've got the Baja Designs Squadron Pro fog light replacement kit here. Nice tidy front end. The factory Ford winch under the front there as well with the little pop-up number plate there. If you do need to use that one, simply open up the bonnet, turn on the isolator. You've got a wireless winch to get you out of those sticky situations. For something like this here, I don't think he's ever going to need it. For the suspension combination on this one here, we've gone for the Carli E-Venture 5.5-inch lift. This one here has got the works. It's got the torsion sway bar from Carli. It's got the high mount, low mount steering stabiliser, which also comes with a diff guard under the bottom there. These things are super durable. With the E-Venture shocks in this one, you've got full adjustability from inside the cab. I'll show you the little dial in a second. Full adjustability means that you can go from soft settings up to hard settings. You got Baja mode, you got automatic bitumen mode, and you got slow off-road mode as well. Changing these settings definitely changes the whole ride of the vehicle itself. And this 5.5-inch Carli E-Venture kit with the progressive leaf springs in the back, which I'll show you in a second, is going to pretty much outperform anything else on the market. Speaking of outperforming, Marty's also opted for the 38 by 13.5 18 Toyo mud terrain tyres. The biggest tyre that we offer here, we've also wrapped that over a Method 305 NV. These are the 18 by 9 neg 12 fitment. This is an aggressive fitment on the F truck. We can obviously set up your Super Duty to suit your needs, whether you want to run the aftermarket guards, whether you want to tuck those tyres up underneath. This one here, it's on the money. Starting at the back here, we've got the replacement LED tail lights. These one definitely look the part. Obviously this green wrap, I just can't get over how good it looks at the back here with the black roof tying into the green. Electric tonneau cover there with a little Yakima rack just for handy little options over the rear there. Having the Roll and Lock XT tonneau cover has these channels in the side that you can do little options like this after the fact. But for the rear end suspension setup, it's got the Carli progressive leaf springs under here with the Carli long travel airbags. These long travel airbags is going to allow the suspension to cycle to its fullest. The amount of travel that you get out of these Super Duties with the progressive leaf springs is something else. I don't know how a Super Duty can flex this much. We've done a pretty sick looking silver one as well. And this one here has got exactly the same rear end suspension. Adjust these airbags on the fly with onboard air control from inside the cab. We've also got an ARB twin compressor up the front there and a full off-grid battery setup up against the headboard in the tub. We may have something pretty cool coming in the future there as well. Keep an eye out. Battery in the back is going to power all your off-grid needs, keep the phones charged. A little plug and play inverter in this setup as well is quite handy for charging up laptops, power tools and other items that require the 240 volt. The Jenny Hitch combo of course on the back there. As you can see, Marty actually utilises a 70mm ball for his trailer a lot. Whether you're running a DO35, a DO45, 50 or 70mm ball, the Jenny Hitch options will adapt and cater to all needs. Tow bar Anderson wiring combo to the rear here as well. So you've got air on board, you've got power needs, you've got the best suspension in the world, 38-inch tyres, tow bar wiring combination there. It's also had a pretty cool underbody coating done as well on it. So tough truck. This one here has got to be one of the toughest. On this side here, we have gone and installed the GME XRS UHF aerial, of course. That one up there, 80 channels, definitely keep you nice and safe on the road. We've also got the Titan replacement fuel tank under there. This one has also had the full tune-up done from G&L Performance. Being a year old, this truck looks bloody amazing still. I do have to give Marty a couple stickers there. Notice a couple of them looking a little bit worse for wear after his adventures. If you like this truck here, click on this video, guys. If you want to see these things boogie down the beach, episode 1 of American Trucks Down Under, right there.